Cherrypy returning not found. 404, the path / was not found. I am new to Cherrypy and am trying to mount a simple Hello World application, but it keeps returning not found. 404, the path / was not found, but I have defined it. Here's what I got. In the __init___.py. In another file I have tried with both the decorator and index.exposed equals true to no avail. Sub-question, what is the preferred method for Cherrypy the decorator, or index.exposed? Global.cfg. Main.cfg. I appreciate any help, thanks in advance. Edit. Here is the full stack trace.
Turns out I shouldn't have been using Cherrypy.quickstart, but I changed the code to the following and it worked fine.
The class HomeInit main is being mounted, instead of the instance. Since index is not a class method, a type error will be thrown which the framework is handling as 404.